Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping It Real with Yogasini. I am Yogasini, also known as Radhika. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, well, welcome. I make videos thrice a week. I put them up thrice a week, or I try putting them up thrice a week. I make fitness videos on Monday, I make skincare videos, I make fashion videos, and I love making review videos. I love giving my gyan to the people. Also, I apologize for the sound, having this buzzing noise in the background. It's very hot in Delhi, so I have the AC on and I can't stay without the AC. It's just too hot for me to do this without the AC. So before any more wastage of time, let me tell you what is this video going to be about. Today I am talking about my June-July favorites. Why June-July? Because I didn't have too many items, so I thought combine 2 months together and do this. So these are some of my favorite items. I've been using them religiously for the last 2 months and I have fallen in love with them, and I would suggest you also get some of these products, if not all then some. There is a lot of skincare products that is in my favorites, and I don't know, let me know if you use any of these products. I use them quite a lot, and I've seen other people using them quite a lot as well. So yeah, before any more ranting and me going on talking, let me just begin. Also, another giveaway on this channel. If you continue watching this video, then you shall find out when and what I'm giving. Let me just tell you, it is amazing. I have been using it like crazy. It is the best thing ever. After bread and butter, I think this product is amazing. So if you want to win this product and if you want to get your hands on this amazing skincare thing, I suggest you continue watching the video. Now, the first and foremost item in my favorites list is my Spritz. Now, what are Spritz? Spritz are things you spray on your face. Yes. Well, that could have double meaning, but right now this is an Othamel Avene. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not very sure. Please don't kill me for pronouncing it wrong. This is a thermal spring water. It's anti-irritant, soothing, passante. I think this is French. It's definitely French. I first found this product 5 years ago in Dubai. This friend of mine suggested that I should get it, and I was like, this is just sprayed water. She's like, get it, it will change your skincare routine and your life, and she was so right. So I got this many years ago, but then I stopped using it because I got lazy. Then I bought another one in Hong Kong again, and there you go. You can get this on Nykaa and you can get this on Amazon as well. The pricing, I'm not very sure how much it is. I'll leave the pricing in the description box. My second water spritz or face spritz that I call is, it's actually, it's called a mist as well, but I call it a spritz because that's how the Americans say it. I'm not sure. This is Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water Face and Body Mist Steam Distilled. I first got this product again a couple of months ago. Kama gave this to me in a gift package and I fell in love, and I used it religiously. I actually used it during my travels. When you're traveling for too long and your face feels really dry and stretched, this was like heaven. Like in that heat of Thailand, I remember me just spraying this constantly. It was out of this world. So these are the two mists that I have been using like crazy for the last 2 months. It's summer in India, it's horribly hot in Delhi, and these have been love. Mwah, mwah. Can't kiss them because my maroon lipstick will be all over them. Another skincare product that, oh my god, it is, every woman out there, every girl out there should get this. I am not exaggerating. I am not hyping this up because they have given it to me, which they actually have. It is the Luna Foreo. Now, I'll tell you what Luna Foreo this is. This is a Luna Mini 2. I had actually got the really mini one, which was for 5,000 bucks when I bought it from Abu Dhabi. That I bought, and it was a battery operated, but after few months the battery kind of rusted, so I couldn't use it anymore, and I had tagged Luna saying, you know what, your product isn't working. I was kind of angry with it because I really loved it, and suddenly it stopped working, so it was very disappointing. So they were so sweet to send me this. It's chargeable, so you do not need extra battery. It comes with a USB charge. You can charge it with that. I use this once a day, every day. It is an amazing massager. It cleanses your face thoroughly. It is silicone based. That means it is anti-dust, anti-pollution, anti-dirt, which is amazing. It is not abrasive. It's not those Clarisonic cleansers that, you know, scrub. It's gentle on your face. This is on the pricey side. I think this is retailing for 7,000 to 11,000 in India right now. But is it an investment? I suggest yes. I would recommend this. I would tell you to buy this without me getting this for free. But yes, it's a very good investment for skincare. So love this. Mwah. Another one, again, this video is all about skincare. This is the Jade Massage Face Roller. I got this in Hong Kong, but I guessing you get this on Nykaa as well as Amazon. It's like if you refrigerate it and take it out in the morning or at night. I usually do this at night and massage this on your face. Like I'm doing this right now and I can just go off to sleep. It's like the best feeling on this planet. It really helps with the puffiness in the morning, or if you have dark circles. It's generally a blood circulation sort of a massage roller, so putting this on, amazing. So yeah, I don't think this is very expensive. I think this is for 1,200 or 1,500. I love this product so much, so I want to give one of my lucky subscribers or followers a chance to win this. Rules are simple. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel, comment on this video, thumbs up this video, and participate on Instagram as well. Follow me on Instagram, like the post when I post this video up, and yeah, again, make 2 people participate. I will explain the rules a little later in the video, but right now, because I was thinking of doing another contest giveaway and this in my hand, I was like, why not? Let's just do this. Another thing that I loved in the last 2 months was my lip scrubber. Now this actually I found in my mom's drawer, and I was like, ye mujhe chahiye, because I have really chapped lips. I have chapped lips throughout the year, be it winter, be it summer, I have chapped lips. And I have this really bad tendency of tearing my lips, like blood tearing. So I found this in her drawer. I actually don't know what is this called. Lip scrubber, I don't know. I bet you get this on Amazon. Just Google lip scrubber stick and you'll find it. It's amazing. It's got 2 ridges, so one end, the other end. It's got something, a spatula sort of a thing where you can like take out the dead skin. Love. The last 3 items. One is my beauty blender holder I got from Shein. Cute. I think this is for 300 bucks. It is amazing, like when you're using a beauty blender and you don't know where to keep it because you don't want to keep it directly on the table or something because you're scared it'll pick up bacteria, germs and all. You just keep it here. Please don't judge my dirty beauty blender. I just did my makeup, so it has foundation on it. So you just keep it like this, and yep, that's it. The last but not the least, I thought I had 3 items. No, actually I had 2. Last and not the least, this is a set I got from Shein. It is a bowl with spoons, a spatula, sponge sort of a thing. Now, it's plastic, which I wasn't very happy about, but whatever. What I loved about this product was that it had these measuring spoons, which is amazing, and I keep this in my bathroom, and I do a lot of these DIY at-home face masks, and they're amazing for it. So if my face mask is a 1 teaspoon of haldi or 1 teaspoon of sugar, I know exactly 1 teaspoon of sugar. I've got the spatula to like mix it with. I've got a brush which is there, but I forgot to get it out. So yeah, they have a tiny brush. The brush is not that big, but okay. What I didn't like was this sponge sort of a thing. It came very soft, and I used it to take out my cinnamon mask, and it worked well. And I squeezed out the water and everything and let it to dry, and the next morning it became really hard, like karak hard, and I didn't like it. I thought it would remain soft. but every time you damp this, it'll become soft, but when it dries hard. My only issue with this product is that it was plastic. Otherwise, I would definitely recommend you all to buy it, but don't buy plastic. Yeah, plastic is not that great. Anyhow, those were my June and July favorites. They were all skincare, like everything was skincare. But you know what, it's summer months, your skin is struggling so much, and these items work. They really worked on me. I have good skin, and thanks to these products I have better skin now. And yes, so that was my favorites. There's a contest giveaway with the favorites, with the Jade massage facial roller. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment and get a chance to win this amazing roller, and also participate on Instagram. Yes, that's about it. That was my giveaway come favorites video. I hope you like this video. I hope you buy one of these products. They are a little bit on the pricey side, but they are really good. I will not suggest you cheap, mediocre products. It's not that they are cheap so they're bad. Sometimes cheap products can be very bad for your skin. Skincare products are expensive because they're good. Let's just put it, let's just be honest. Anyhow, I hope you subscribe, I hope you thumbs up, I hope you comment, I hope you come back to my channel. And yes, I'm also on the social medias under the name Yogasini. Facebook, Instagram, find me there. I do skincare routines also there. What else? Yeah, take part in the contest. To take part in the contest giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel. Find the subscribe button somewhere, left, right, I don't know. Find it. Comment telling me why you need this product, and what else? Thumbs up would work. And for Instagram, you need to comment on the video when I put this up on my page, and just make 2 people participate. Just put 2 people in the comments, and yeah. But most importantly, your comments have to be on YouTube, otherwise I will not know who you are. So do not forget to comment. I sometimes space out, you know, I just go off to another dimension. So yeah, that was the contest giveaway. Take part in the contest, win this thing, it's amazing. The one that I'll be giving away is from nykaa, and this is from Hong Kong, so I can't give this, but I'll be giving something from nykaa, the Jade massage roller. So yes, that was it.